Bonnie, happy Saturday! I am back. I'm in a Christmassy mood. I just got back from the mall and check it out. I got a Bath and Body Works soap haul. I'm so excited. So I had plans to get in there a little bit earlier. I was like, I'm going to get there at 11 o'clock when the store opens. I don't think I left the house until like 12:30. I'm trying to actually organize all of my Bath and Body Works. I don't know if I can turn my camera here. So off to the side here, I have got a rack here. I've got candles. I'm going to keep going. It's kind of fun. I'm back. I've got this rack of stuff, candles, body care, that I'm trying to organize so that I can review everything with Black Friday coming up. By the way, I found Greg. Greg was like on the floor behind a bunch of stuff. So Barry Williams on Dancing with the Stars, by the way, is amazing. So I'm feeling good. I found Greg. I'm cleaning up my area. I don't know if I can do a tilt down here. So you see all these bags down here? All of these bags are Christmas stuff from Bath and Body Works. I need to organize all of this body care and do an inventory so I can figure out what I'm gifting, what I'm keeping, and what I need to buy for Black Friday. I'll be doing a lot of tips on my channel in the next week on how to shop all of these sales because it's going to be crazy. So I went and I got soap today. I'm so excited. I actually have more soap than I realized because when I was organizing, I found another bin of soap, but I'm like, you know what? It's all good because I want to give some stuff off. And yeah, I love soap. By the way, McDonald's has these cool new Christmas glasses. I needed my iced tea today really bad. So we're going to dig in. I decided to get a bag. The bags are, what are these? These are like $2.95. I don't know where the price tag is. I think they're $2.95, but I'm a huge fan of bags. So I decided to get the bag. So today, in stores and online, the soap is $2.95. I didn't use my coupon, by the way. I didn't buy enough to feel like it was worth 20%. I'm saving that for either Black Friday or Candle Day. So I'm going to dig in. I did get some bar soap. I ended up getting 5 bars of bar soap. I got Manhattan Nightcap. I love this one. Some of these I think are going to be gifts. I got 2 coffee and whiskeys. I want to keep one of these, actually. $2.95 for the bar soap, by the way, is a really good deal. I got another Christmas morning. I think that's going to be a gift. And then I got the Northern Brights for me. I'm going to open this one up because I'm going to just start using this one. I was super excited to get the Eucalyptus Pine. I'm just ripping the paper off because this is going right in the bathroom. So there. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is good. I can't wait to start using this one. So this is the bar soap, $2.95. Again, those make really great gifts. I highly recommend getting those today. That's going to be pretty much the lowest price of the season. Okay, so let me unpack my soap here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 9. I got 9 soaps today, which I thought was pretty impressive. Let me move my phone. Got my receipt in there. Okay, so today and tomorrow, soap $2.95, and then the cartons are $9.95. Now, if you have a 20% off coupon, not a bad deal. You're going to be in like the $8 range. However, if you want more of these, or if you want to mix and match, I would wait till Black Friday when everything in the store is buy 3, get 3, because these are going to go down a lot more because $13.95 half price, that's like $6.97. I think I did the math yesterday. So if you want these, I would wait. By the way, I'm really curious to know when we're getting the holiday laundry detergent. This guy shops, whose link is below. Chris, he saw it in Columbus. He's got it on his channel, so check it out. I'm kind of like really wanting to try that out. So I'm also waiting on this ballet collection. I think I'll be able to pick that up on Monday. We should see that online Monday. So I'll do a whole big video. And the ornaments coming. We got a lot to talk about. My necklace keeps moving. The old Avon necklace. I like it. It's sparkly. So, what did I get today? Pink sparkling spritz. This one's bubbly ginger ale, pink sugar, and raspberry fizz. I love a good ginger ale, I gotta say, especially around the holidays. Oh yeah, this one does smell like ginger ale. They have cranberry ginger ale. I just saw it at Giant Eagle. I might have to pick that up, but this one's pretty. I didn't have that one, so I got that one. I got the, I got winter. Winter's always a nice one. I might save this one for January when it's actually winter. We have not hit any snow this year, by the way. I think we had like 2 flakes. I'm not all that upset about it, though. Like, that's okay. I don't need snow. Winter candy apple. There's a couple different winter candy apple bottles floating around out there. I like this one because it's pink. It's kind of pretty. Let me see here. Oh, yeah. That smells really good. So I got winter candy apple. Oh, I got the new cocktail garden. This one is muddled mint, sparkling lime, and ginger soda. Again with the ginger. I actually really like this one. There's something about this one that's very appealing, but this is the kind of like new collection that's rolling in because you know how Bath & Body Works starts doing kind of like springy stuff around Candle Day. I got a Candle Day video for you guys next, by the way. I never did talk about the price yesterday. I got caught up in everything else. I have so many reviews to do. I got stuff piled everywhere. Fresh Sparkling Snow. I like this one. I like this one a lot in the soap. Oh, that smells good. And I like the green. I just got a new shower curtain. I got one a while ago, but it was kind of stiff. And I'm not super crazy about it. So I was just at Marshall's, I think yesterday, and I got another shower curtain. So I'm excited because it's got some green in it. Lavender Cloud. Thumbs up on Lavender Cloud. This one is Serene Lavender, Cozy Sandalwood, and Eucalyptus. There must be a trigger word for that. I don't know what triggers the thumbs up, you guys. Ooh, this one's nice. I do like Lavender Cloud. These are pretty, too. Those are, like, really nice. Okay, I got, oh, pink tinsel petals. This only comes in the gel. I don't know why. It's jasmine petals, juniper berry, and vanilla bean. I haven't smelled this one yet, I don't think. I don't know if I like this one. It's very floral. A little bit of an interesting, I don't know what it is, like a fruity pop? I don't know. It's kind of bizarre. I don't know. Let me know if you tried it. It's different. Can't tell if I like it. Oh, Tree Farm. I love my Tree Farm. I love Tree Farm. Oh my gosh. I like this better than Fresh Balsam. Oh yeah. I think I'm putting this in the bathroom today. Little Tree Farm. And then I got Marshmallow Fireside. I love Marshmallow Fireside. Oh, I should have gotten 2 of these. Why can't we have this as a body care? Like, seriously. Toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla. We did get Bonfire Bash. This is a little different. This has got more vanilla in it. Oh my gosh, this would make such a good body care. Oh my gosh, I would love this. And then I got another coconut angel cake, which is a fluffy coconut angel food cake and vanilla sugar. This one's nice. This is a very strong, sharp, cakey smell, but I like it. So anyway, get your soap this weekend. So soap is like flying off the shelves. The store was so busy. Christmas soap is going to start dwindling from this weekend on. By the time Candle Day arrives, the soap's going to be pretty low. They'll probably do another soap sale between now and Christmas. But don't wait until like the week before Christmas to get your Christmas soap because your favorites will probably be gone. Christmas soap's very popular, and with the price point, it's all going to go really fast. So definitely the lowest price of the season. Thank you so much to everyone for shopping Bon Leo. A lot of you are buying the Queen of the Girl Geeks t-shirts. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is definitely a labor of love. It's so much fun. Lenny and I are getting a lot of joy out of creating all of these t-shirts. Also, a lot of people have been asking about my Etsy shop, which is now in vacation mode. My mom and I were doing the Etsy shop, and the problem with Etsy is that the fees were going up, and secondarily, it's really, really time consuming to make all of the products, and my mom and I just got totally behind. My mother, she has a little bit of trouble walking now. She's getting up into almost 80. I'm going to get her on the channel, by the way, and have her do a Christmas video. For those of you who've met my mom, you know, she loves the florals. Her and I are like opposite. But I love doing a Christmas video with her. And it just, we're trying to stay organized, and having all the beads in the house and making everything just got to be a little bit too time consuming, and then the shipping. So for now, we've kind of backed off the Etsy stuff. And I know a lot of people wanted the charms this year, and I apologize. Because we really thought maybe we could do it, but then we just got like overwhelmed. Which is why I like the t-shirts, because then it's just designing and it's not having to deal with putting together a lot of stuff, because every one of those charms was like handmade, and our house was like rolling in beads, and it was getting a little bit crazy. So I apologize to everyone who wanted a charm this year. Like I said, maybe we'll do it again. I mean, it just depends this year. If we start early, you know, maybe we can do a couple and get ready for Christmas and Halloween next year. But I just wanted to let everyone know, because everyone's been asking, and I apologize for that. So anyway, I can't believe it's already November 18th. You know, it's like, it's funny. Back in like September, I was like, oh yeah, we're going to do Christmas charms. I was going to make some. And then I'm like, I just never got around to it. Like, I got to do my laundry. There's so many other things that, you know, I want to do everything. That's how I am. So anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit. We're going to talk about Candle Day next. Bye-bye.